Hello. I can't sleep again. Thought I'd share things, weirdness, realness, whatever. So, I had the theory of what if our lives that we're living right now is really just us, we're already dead? Say we're already dead. Let me start over? It's tired as hell. Been up for the past 48 hours. Thought I'd make a video before attempting to sleep. Hang in there with me. Please. What if the lives we're living is really just a flashback? A flash before our eyes because we're already dead and we're just reliving it right now? What if that's all our life is? Is there a way for us to change it? Maybe the changes that we think we're making are the changes that we were supposed to make. I can't sleep because I've been thinking about that for the past 48 hours. That and I had 40... No. Wait. No, not 40. Saw the thing on the thing. I have had 10 5-hour energies. So wouldn't that be like 50-hour energy? Damn, am I not gonna be able to sleep for 2 more hours? Wish me luck in trying to fall asleep. Signing off. This is realness to the weirdness. I can't sleep. Oh, depression.